Can't access your TikTok account and don't have your email or phone number? No need to panic. There are still steps you can take to recover. In this video, I'll guide you on how to recover your TikTok account without using an email or phone number on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Recover your account via the TikTok app. Open up your TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the question mark icon from the top left corner. Tap Recover your account. Now here, enter your TikTok username and then hit the search. Here you will see your phone number. Now tap on phone number. TikTok will send a 6-digit code to your number. After that, enter the code. Your account is back. If this method does not work, then follow the second method. Method 2. Recover the password from your iPhone. Open up the password app. Then tap All. Next, scroll down. Find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Here you can find username and password option. Just tap on the password option. Here you can see your password. If you still have the same problem, then follow my last method. Method 3. Recover a password from Google. Open up the Safari browser. Now open Google from here. Make sure to sign in with the same Gmail you added in the TikTok account. Then tap on your Google profile. Then tap on your Google profile picture from the top right corner. Next, tap Manage your Google account. At the top, you will see some tabs like Home, Personal Info, and more. Just slide left and tap Security. Now scroll down and find the Password Manager. Tap Manage Password. Here you will find all the login information. Tap on the search bar and search TikTok. Now tap TikTok. Enter screen lock password. Here you can get the TikTok login information. Use the eye icon to view the username or password. Method 3. Recover your account via the TikTok feedback. Open up the Safari browser, then type in search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link, then select the option from the drop-down menu. Now enter your username or email address. Next, describe your problem in the additional details box. If you have any attachments, then upload them here. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. TikTok support will recover your account within 48 hours. That's all. This is how you can recover your TikTok account on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.